Hello guys, welcome to third video of this section, making our presenter reactive. In the last video, we have implemented the reactive design to our project, which we have developed in section 2, video 5, view model and live data. In this video, our focus will be on implementing the RX design in our sample code, which we have developed in section 2, video 5. If you haven't watched this video before, then I suggest you to pause it here, watch that video first and resume it. In this video, we will also use RX operators like map, flat map, and filter. In section 2, video 5, we moved our logic into the presenter to show the project list. We will use this sample app and will implement the RX design in our sample code. So let's start with our practical implementation. This is our sample project which we have developed in section 2, video 5. I have rearranged the classes, added two package, injection and project underscore listing. All classes related to the dagger, I have moved them into the injection. All other classes are moved into the project underscore listing. To enable RX programming in our project, add reactive dependencies, RX Android 2.1.0, RX Java 2.2.2. Use the latest version at the time you're watching this video. To enable lambda expression, add compile option source compatibility Java version dot version underscore 1 underscore 8, target compatibility Java version dot version underscore 1 underscore 8. So let's start. To add RX designing, let's create an other class, project listing model. This project listing model is our data layer class which provide communication between our repository and module. So let's add project model list. Project model list. Now create a function which will return observable. Now in this function, we will receive our listing from our module and wrap it into the observable and then send it back to the project repository. So its return type will be observable list project model get project list observable. Here we will return observable dot first range create a list 0, 5 starting index and count dot map new function close. There you go. Now we will create our project model item and then add them into the list. Project model is equal to new project model dot title is equal to project plus integer and then add them into the project listing dot add project model and we will return this project model list. Now to check internet availability, let's create another observable boolean is network available and here we will return observable dot just true because so far we are not getting anything from the internet, so we don't need to check it now, but for future reference we need this function. So I have created and just pass a dummy value which is true. Now go back to your project repository. In project repository, we need to inject project model list, this class, but whichever class you need to inject, it should have constructor in it here, and this constructor should be injected as well. Let's create list constructor @inject. Now go back. Here we have this project listing model class access. Now let's project list dot is network available. Let's check is network available. This is a observable because we have said that observable dot just return true. Add do on next, and do on next we will check network available, and in this if network available is not true, you can pop up any error and just return it. Now we will add filter and check is network available true. Then need flat map so that it can wrap into the observable is available. You can add any name here. Project listing model dot get project listing observable. Now we have received the observable. Now we will use it in subscribe function. Subscribe projects is equal to items. Let's create an array of items. List project model items. Items is equal to array list of project model and pass projects. There you go. Now we have all the items of the project into the item. We can just need to pass it here item. Instead of project list, just add items. Now let's go to module and let's update our module class. Modify it. There you go. This is your module class. In this, provide me an adapter still needed. Project repository class. You can still leave it here or you can use some other ways like we'll let you know. Provide project list model. Let's create another function. So in this function, we don't need this provide anymore. Let's just remove it. Go back to your project repository and we don't need this anymore. As we don't need this anymore, so we have removed it from the constructor and we have to remove from here as well. We don't need it here as well. Now run your code, and once you run it, you will receive this response. Now our design is more sophisticated than before, and just stay tuned because in next video we will make it more simpler and remove a lot of boilerplate code. So our next topic is going to be RX Java testing. We will test our RX design patterns.